Hello, my name is Elijah Ramos, and today I will be going over math for grades 5th and 6th. I will be covering a wide range of topics in math for ages 5th and 6th, and after each video segment for 5th and 6th grade, the answers will be provided for the work that I have done. Thank you for watching. Alright, so today what we're going to be learning is perimeter. So all perimeter is adding all sides of whatever shape you are given. So let's go over the first example, number 1. So for the first example, we have 10, 10, 10, 10 on each side. So to find the perimeter of this figure, we need to add all the sides together. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And then we add them all together, and the answer we get at the end will be the perimeter. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So our perimeter would be 40. For the next one, we have a rectangle with the sides of 5, 15, 5, and 15. So what we can do first is add the sides that are the same number together first. So we have 15 plus 15, which should give us 30. So 15 plus 15 equals 30. And 5 plus 5, which should give us 10. So we would add 10 to 30. So 30 plus 10 would give us 40. And that would be our perimeter. For the next one, we have it's only given us 2 sides, so we have 2 and 4. But since we know that it's a rectangle, we know that the opposite side of the number is the same. So we can write a 4 right here, because it's the opposite of this side, and a 2 right here, because it's the opposite of this side. And now all we do is add them together. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. And if we add them together, we get 12. Which would be our perimeter. For the next one, we have our shape, and the sides are 20, 7, 13, and 7. So first, we have 20, so we can put 20 right here. And if we added 13 plus 7, that would give us another 20. So if we added these two, that would give us 20. And then we have 7. Add them together, and we get 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. Our perimeter would be 47. For our next problem, we're given 3 sides, which are 2, 4, and 6. But we know that the opposite side that's sometimes the opposite side of a shape, of one side of the shape, was the other side. So we can write a 4 right here, and now we can add them together. So if we take 6 plus 4, these two, and add them together, we get 10. And if we add 4 plus 2, we would get 8. Or 6. I am sorry, 6, not 8. And if we added them together, 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 16. That would be our perimeter. And for our last example, we have 5 sides. So our 5 sides numbers are given 5, 8, 4, 3, and 2. So we can start off by adding. We can start off by having 8 plus 2, which would give us 10. So if we added this and this, that's 10. And if we added the 5 and the 4, 5 plus 4 would give us 9. And then we just have 3. So we have 0 plus 9 plus 3, which gives us 12. So we put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 2. And our final answer is 22. I hope this helped you. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Okay, so today what we will continue learning is area. Now, area is just one step further from perimeter, which we learned in the first part of the video, which was adding all the sides together. Now, the difference between area and perimeter is in perimeter, you add the sides, but in area, you multiply the two sides. So, for example, in the first one, we have 5 and 7 as our sides. And from perimeter, we know that the opposite side of 7 would be 7, and the opposite side of 5 would be 5. But we don't need to know these. We only need two sides for area, since we're just multiplying the length times the width. So, we would multiply 5 times 7, which would give us an area of 35. And that would be our answer, 35. For the next one, we have 10 and 6 on a side. So, to find the area, we take our two sides, 10 and 6, and multiply them together, which gives us 60. For our next one, we have 8 and 4. So if we need to rewrite 8 right here and 4 here, multiply them together because there are two sides, and we get 32. For our next one, we have 12 and 7 as our sides. So we write 12 times 7, and then we multiply. 12 times 7 would give us 84 for our area. For the next one, we have 20 and 15 as our sides. So we would take 20 and multiply it by 15. And we would get an answer of 300. And for our last one, our two sides given are 40 and 20. So we write 40 times 20, and our answer would be, when we multiply these two numbers together, would give us 800. I hope this helped you get a better understanding of how area works. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video once again, and don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and to comment down below on what you'd like me to cover in future videos. And remember to wash your hands, stay inside, and if at all possible, if you have to go out, keep a distance of 6 feet away from others. Thank you guys. See you later.